Good day and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the March edition glove box. Alright, before we get this video kicked off, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping in, taking the time out of your day to check out this video. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for your support. Also remember, while you're here, smash that thumbs up, drop a comment down below of what you thought of this video. All your guys' support is greatly appreciated. But as I mentioned, in today's video, we are checking out the March edition glove box. With GloveBox, if you're unfamiliar with it, it is a subscription detailing box that is always packed full of goodies, and the value you're going to get out of it is just insane for what you pay for the glove box. And also remember, if you want to get a subscription to GloveBox, use code MeanBee to save yourself 20% off of your first box. Trust me, you're not going to be disappointed. But let's go ahead, hop into this March edition glove box, and let's see what is in March's glove box, what it's packed full of. I know this box is bulging at the seams, and it is very heavy, so it has got a lot of awesome products in it. So let's see what is inside. All right, so I went ahead and cut the tape. Let's open this thing up. Let's see what is in here. So as you can see right now, this box has a bunch of 303 products in it. Super exciting and awesome because I have not had the opportunity to use any of the 303 products. They have really been getting my attention. So this box right here, as you can see, is packed full of it. First product we have here is a Chanel wash mitt from 303. We have some ultra concentrated car wash. Next product in here, we have the graphene detailer. We have Protectant, interior and exterior, ultimate UV protection. We also have the graphene nano spray coating. Super excited to try that out. We also have a nice microfiber applicator that is going to work perfect with the nano spray coating. And then the next thing we have in here is some ultra plush microfiber towels. It's by 303, very nice packaging. We got a 303 premium protectants and cleaners sticker. We also have a little brochure from 303 about all of their products. I like seeing that because it kind of gives you a nice idea about their products. Last but not least, in the box right here is your March Deluxe step-by-step guide. So it's very cool that GloveBox offers this in here. This is going to be exactly as it says, your step-by-step guide on how to use each product, what they're designed for, easiest thing to use. The cool thing on the back of this, if you turn it over, it will list every product that is in this box and a total value of this box and the products that it contains. So as you can see on the bottom here, you have the graphene nano spray coating. It's a $19.99 value. Graphene detailer, $16.99. Concentrated car wash, $10.99. Protectant, $15.99. Wash mitt, $9.99. Microfiber towels, 3-pack, $9.99. And I am not seeing this microfiber applicator on here, which is totally fine. But with those products that are listed, you are getting a total retail value of $88. So you're getting $88 worth of products in this March edition deluxe glove box. That's what I mean. The value you get with these is second to none. Absolutely awesome. So I just want to lay it out so you can get a nice product lineup shot here. Very exciting, very cool. I love seeing this. We're going to put each one of these products to use. And I will just go over what they have to say about each product, how to use it, directions, what the product is for. While I am doing that, I will show using those products as well. So it'll just be kind of an overview video using each one of these products in this box so you can see the value you get with the glove box, the kind of products that you can see. Of course, you're not going to get the same exact box unless you order the March edition box, but you'll be able to see these products in action and see the amazing value you can get for it. If you'd like to see one of these products, or all of these products, whatever it is, if you'd like to see one of them a deeper dive and review into, drop that in the video comment section down below. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're going to go over these products and do an overview of them. So we're going to start this off with a 303 Ultra Concentrated Car Wash. 303 Ultra Concentrated Car Wash for a clean, streak-free shine. Deep gloss finish, high foam formula, safe for all paints. Cleans and lubricates to wash away tough dirt and grime. pH neutral, won't strip wax. Great bubblegum scent. Directions: wash vehicle out of direct sunlight. Add 1 ounce of 303 car wash to 5-gallon bucket and fill with clean water. After washing vehicle, rinse completely. For best results, hand dry surface with a microfiber drying towel. So with this product, it does have an absolutely awesome bubblegum scent. I'm not a huge bubblegum scent fan, but I do really like the way this smells. It is a great bubblegum scent. So it might change me on being a bubblegum scent fan. It is extremely high sudsing and foaming. It is an ultra concentrated car wash. I've been very impressed with how well this is stripping away the dirt that is on the surface that you saw. It just works really well. I love how it foams out of the foam cannon as well as in my wash bucket. Another huge plus and benefit for me is that you only need 1 ounce in your 5-gallon bucket. It rinses away clean and it does leave a nice streak-free clean finish. So overall, definitely really like the 303 Ultra Concentrated Car Wash. And also, this product right here, you can see me using this in the video. This Chanel microfiber wash mitt, I absolutely love it. I love Chanel wash mitts. I feel that they do a really good job at breaking down the dirt and also containing that dirt within the fibers of this wash mitt, helping reduce any kind of scratching or marring on the surface, and it just pairs up really nice with the Ultra Concentrated Car Wash. So both those together is a huge win. The next product that we have up that we'll be taking a look at is the 303 Protectant. This is an interior and exterior protectant, so you can use it on the interior. I'm not showing that in this video, but you can use it in the interior, so you can use it on anything that is vinyl, rubber, or plastic. They say that it keeps vinyl, rubber, and plastic looking new longer. It helps prevent fading and cracking, repels dust, lint, and staining, dry touch, non-greasy finish, and that is a huge benefit for me because that is not going to draw in any extra and unwanted dirt. They also say that it provides superior protection against the sun's damaging UV rays, helps prevent fading and cracking to keep surface looking new longer, restores and maintains a like-new appearance, texture, and color, dries to a smooth, matte finish, non-oily or greasy residue. The directions for this product: use only on clean surfaces, spray surface with product, and wipe completely dry with a clean, dry microfiber towel. Can also be applied directly onto microfiber applicator or towel. If streaking occurs, too much product has been used. Use a wet towel to remove excess and immediately wipe completely dry. Note, this product does not air dry. Apply every 3 to 5 weeks for maximum UV protection. Great for use on a variety of surfaces such as vinyl, rubber, finished leather, chrome, alloy, plastic, synthetic, and natural rubber, gel coat, and fiberglass. Do not use on unfinished leathers such as suede, fabrics, canvas, flooring, clear plastics, gauge panels, or headlights. So with this product here, you can see that I did use it on some rubber. I wanted to see what it would do on a tire. I was actually pretty impressed with it. I thought that it wasn't too bad. So it does work great on rubber. So any kind of rubber trim or anything that you have, it is going to work really well on, as well as the hard plastic that you can see me using this up on the front bumper. So it does bring back some of that natural shine and does help make it look new again. The next product up that we have is going to be the 303 Graphene Detailer. With a 303 Graphene Detailer, this is a coating, sealant, and wax booster. Superior UV protection, adds slickness and gloss, use wet or dry. It also says that it boosts and enhances protection on existing coatings, sealants, and waxes. Great for use between washes to remove light dust. Can also be used on wet surface as a drying aid. Adds slickness and gloss while wiping away streak-free. Superior UV protection, protects clear coat and prevents fading. Great for use on all exterior automotive surfaces including paint, glass, wheels, plastic, chrome, and more. The directions for this product is shake bottle well, can be used on a wet or dry surface, spray product directly into a clean microfiber towel, and wipe into surface one section at a time. Buff off all residue with a separate clean microfiber towel. So with this product here, I didn't use it a whole lot. I did show using it a little bit. It is a nice detailer. It is cool that this is a graphene infused product, so you are going to be boosting any kind of previous protection that you have on. And if you don't have protection, this will leave a little bit of protection behind. It is a very easy to use product. It is streak free. I am very impressed with it. I do like it. I want to use this product some more. I don't use detailers a ton, but when I do, I definitely want to use a nice premium detailer, and this one definitely fits the bill. So the last product, but not least, out of the chemicals, we're going to be checking out this 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating. So with this 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating, it says beyond ceramic, next level carbon polymer protection, enhances gloss and depth, reduces water spotting, extreme hydrophobic protection. 1+ year of premium protection, lowers surface temperatures, reducing water spotting, high water contact angle, sheds water quickly, easy to use. Black paint, direct sunlight, no problem. Great for use on paint, chrome, wheels, trim, glass, and vinyl wraps. The directions for this product: shake bottle well before use. Ensure paint is clean and dry before applying product. If desired, correct your car's paint before applying. This is not necessary for the product to fully bond to the paint. Spray onto microfiber or foam applicator. Apply to the surface in a crosshatch pattern to ensure complete coverage. After application, allow product to cure to a white haze. Buff off with a clean, dry microfiber towel. After buffing, no cure time is needed before being introduced to water. So that is one thing about this product that I found very interesting, is that there is not any cure time needed before being introduced to water. So we're definitely going to get this applied to this panel here. Once I have it applied, since there's not a cure time, we're definitely going to hit it with some water. This is a very easy to use product. If we get a year protection out of it, that is very impressive for just a nano spray coating. It is very easy to use. It goes on very easy. I also like this little microfiber applicator that I'm using to apply it with. That just ensures that I can apply it where I need it in that crosshatch pattern, and it's not just getting out of control. I love using little microfiber applicators like this to apply it. So I normally don't talk during this part of the video to show these products being used. I have to show you this. There is a definite 50-50 line right there that you can see. Just from this graphene nano spray coating by 303, you can see the depth and the gloss in the paint. Super easy to apply. Nice warm day in direct sunlight, as I mentioned, and this stuff worked absolutely awesome. They say there is no cure time. You can hit it with water right away, so let's hit it with water and see the beading. We can also compare the beading from the nano spray coating to where we used the detailer, the graphene detailer, as a drying aid, so we can check out the difference in beading, and then on to the side where we haven't put anything.
Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. It's pretty crazy that it's only the first time.
Right. Okay, so as you can see, the graphene detailer, it's not a coating. It has produced some water beading. Some paint protection is there. And then moving on to this graphene nano spray coating, this stuff is super hydrophobic. Crazy tight little beads. You can move over to here to that 50-50. The water is just flat on the doors, you can see. No beading at all. To right there where I applied this. Super easy to apply. I cannot say it enough. This stuff is really impressed me, and I had to just bring you guys in and talk about it just a little bit because of how impressive it is. All right, so overall with the March edition Deluxe glove box with the 303 car care takeover, the products, the glove box, everything, absolutely awesome. I loved every single product in there as you saw them being used. That graphene nano spray coating was one product that absolutely just blew me away while I was using it because the panel is clean and the panel is still very shiny, but once I applied that product and buffed it off, you could see that 50-50 line extremely well. You could see the color depth, the gloss, it was making the metal flake pop. That product was absolutely awesome. But every product that I used that was in here, everything from the car wash to the graphene detailer to the protectant, the wash mitt, the microfibers, all extremely quality products. So meets and exceeds my expectations for products, and then getting them in a monthly subscription box is just super cool and awesome to me because these might be products that you've never had the opportunity to try, and you're getting basically a complete lineup of everything you need to do to completely clean your vehicle. And as I mentioned, the value of the glove box is second to none. It's absolutely awesome. They're always packing them full of quality detailing products, and you're always getting that huge bang for your buck. But once again, I want to thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day, stopping in and checking out this video. Please remember to smash that thumbs up, and also drop a comment down below of what you thought. And also, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. And thank you all so much for your support, but I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.